Hello and welcome to Tech Support Wheel, and in this video I will show you how you can create a virtual machine on your computer using Oracle VirtualBox. VirtualBox is a free tool from Oracle that allows you to create a virtual machine on your computer. The VMs created on your computer uses the host resources, that means your computer's RAM, CPU, hard drive. You can install any operating system on the virtual machine and run on your Windows computer. For example, if you want to set up Windows 10 VM on your Windows 11 computer, you can easily do it. Let's create a virtual machine and install Windows 10 for now. And you can install any OS you want, be it Linux, Ubuntu, Windows 7 and even Windows XP, as long as you get the OS image. Go to virtualbox.org. The VirtualBox is available for Mac OS, Linux, Solaris as well. Let's download the Windows installer. Run it. Click on Next, Next and now Yes, Yes and install. Uncheck this checkbox not to start the VirtualBox after installation. Click Finish. We need to start the VirtualBox in admin mode, else VirtualBox may not have access to your file system to create the VM. And there is a chance you will get file access error during VM creation process. To avoid the error, right-click on the VirtualBox shortcut and run as administrator. Click on New. Give a name to your virtual machine. This is the path where the VM files will be stored. Select the ISO image of the operating system you want to load in the VM. I will select the Windows 10 ISO image that is already there in my laptop. In case you don't have the Windows ISO image, check the card of this video. I have shared how you can download Windows image for free. Click on Next. Type the Windows user and password that you want to set in the VM. I will let the product key as is. But if you have a Windows product key, fill in here. Check the Guest Editions option. This will be helpful in running the VM in full screen mode. Click on Next. In the screen, you have to allocate resource for your virtual machine. I have a 16 GB laptop, and I am allocating 4 GB to the VM. Out of 12 CPUs, I will share 4. Click on Next. You need to select Create Virtual Hard Disk option. If you have an existing virtual hard disk, you can choose this second option and add the task disk from your computer. The third option is to create a VM without any hard disk. I will proceed with the first option and allocate 50 GB. Click Next and verify the details. Click on Finish to start the installation. Okay, the installation started. I will fast forward this little bit. Cool, we are done. If this video has helped you, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Support Wheel for more useful contents like this.